Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm just giving you a really pretty paper to look at while I talk to you for a little bit. We had an announcement that we posted up on our social media probably about a week ago, and it was about wondering if any of you guys would be interested in some new kits that we're thinking about putting together for next year, for 2019. Now these will not be the large 12 by 12 kits like we've been doing all of these past years. These are going to be smaller size. They're going to be either 6 by 6 paper or 8.5 by 11 paper, one or the other, depending on what theme we go for that month and what paper we can find. These are some of the things that we were talking about and that we posted about putting in the kits. Designer paper, either 6 by 6 or 8.5 by 11. If it's a 6 by 6 pad, you would get, if it was 48 sheets, you'd get 24 sheets, and then somebody else would get 24 sheets. So we kind of split that pad because most of them are way thick and you wouldn't really need that many probably. And we're trying to keep this cost really down low for you guys because we don't want you to have to spend a bundle on a kit, but we want you to get lots of good product. It would also have cardstock in it, cardstock that would match the paper depending on what theme it was for that month. Each month there would be a different theme and a different paper. One might be something about Easter, one might be Valentine's Day. We're not sure yet exactly how we're going to go on that. They may not be exactly themed, but they will all match up. Everything in the kit will match. Then you will get either Nuvo drops, crystal drops, or stickles, depending on the kit again. Small die, sequins. These are some of the things that will go in the kit. All of these may not be in every kit, but some of these, at least probably 11 different products will be in the kit. Sequins, small ink pad, bling that matches the kit, ribbon, baker's twine, die cuts, pop dots, a small metal embellishment, tags and pockets, vellum, an acetate sheet, embossing powder, glitter paper, no shed. And then I'm going to be doing the project ahead of time, hopefully, if I can get all the product here. I'm going to do the project ahead of time, and then I will have a free PDF and a free exclusive video for 2 different projects that you can do with that kit. One might be a mini album, and one might be a set of cards, or another different type project, depending on what the kit is all about for that month. Also, we have talked with Maymay, and Maymay has agreed that she would put in a 4x4 stamp set that was made especially for this kit, for each kit each month. So you would get a different stamp set each month, a 4x4, and it would go with the kits. She's making these especially for this kit. She won't have them in the shop for sale until after our kits go out, but then I think she said she would probably have the second run. If anybody was interested, they could buy one from her that way. So it's not going to be an exclusive. It's just going to be, they're going to make them directed toward these kits so that everything will match up. So that would be from her. And what I need to know, then also, let me say another thing. You can cancel at any time, of course, and then you can rejoin up at any time. The payments for the kits would have to come out the same time every month. So if we started on the 2nd of January, you pay in advance for the month. So the 2nd of January, your payments would come out of your account, and it would pay for February's kits. And then in February the 2nd, it would come out and it would pay for March kits, and on like that through the month. Also, if you are a member of this kit club, then you will get a specific coupon code that will give you 15% off of everything else that's in our store. So that would be exclusive only to kit members. Okay, the retail value of this kit will be around $45 to $48. Like I said, here again, it's depending on what all we put in the kit, but we're going to try to keep it around $45, $46 the retail value. But you will be able to purchase the kit for $34.95, and that will be free shipping to the people in the United States Now, anyone out of the United States that wants to purchase, of course, they would have to pay their shipping, because we can't do free shipping worldwide. That would just, that would shut us down because shipping internationally is so expensive. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, I'm going to list all of these products and things below so that you can take a look of everything that we read over. And if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, I need you to post below that you are very interested, because I need kind of a count of anybody that is interested and thinks that you would sign up for this before I commit to all this. But committing to all of this means that I need to purchase a lot of product, because I want to have the kits available on the 2nd of the month. I want to have the kits ready, and as soon as your payment is made, I want to try to get those kits out by the 7th. So if you pay on the 2nd, I'm going to try to get them out by the 7th, if nothing fails. Now, of course, life can always happen. It can always be possibility that I'm sick, or that my whole crew is sick and that we can't get them out that time. If so, we will post and we will send you an extra discount or something like that to make up for it. But that's what we're shooting for right now. So I need you, if this is something that you're very interested in, I need you to post below that you are very interested, or that you would sign up. Like I said, it will be a stamp set from Maymay that will be made especially for our kits. So let me know if you're interested, so that we can get this all geared up and get it started, so that the 2nd of January, we want to have it available for you to go ahead and purchase your kit. So let me know in the comments below if this is something you're interested in, if this is something that you would sign up for. And if you have any questions about it, leave me the questions below and I will answer them just as soon as I can. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.